Hello everyone, let me introduce to you another product of ours, ARC100-P automatic rainfall calibrator. This product is mainly suitable for indoor use. It mainly integrates one button start and then completes the calibration procedure automatically with an average of plus or minus 0.5 milliliters. Now let me introduce the front structure of the device. The top is a bright OLED display, which mainly displays count, device status, key menu functions, etc. There are 4 physical buttons at the bottom of the screen, which are used to manually control the water supply, stop, manual and automatic switching of the verification box. The central position is the verification button, which is mainly used to start the verification process with one key in the automatic verification mode. The red and black interfaces are technical signal interfaces, which are used to access the quilled table and tipping bucket signals. The bottom is the water outlet, which is the rain sensor used to check the meter. Next, I will explain the back structure of the device to you. The top of the back of the device is the communication interface, which is used for communication between the calibration box and external devices, including S485, S232, USB and LAN interfaces. The right side is the power interface, which is the power supply interface of the verification box, providing an external 1 to the power supply. The lower left side of the device is the overflow port, which is mainly used to discharge the excess water overflowing from the standard bottle. The right side is the water inlet, which is used to provide test water for the standard bottle. The side adopts a non-fully sealed design, and you can check the water supply and water discharge status of the internal standard bottle through the panel. Through these 2 slits, you can see the regular state of water intake, water supply and water discharge of the inner and small bottles. The above is the introduction of the structure of the device, and now we start the actual operation of the device. For the connection of the signal line, use a pair of red and black test lines. One end is inserted into the calibrator, and the other end is connected to the rain sensor. For water connection, use the standard PE pipe to insert the front water outlet. The other end is placed above the rain sensor, and the overflow port and the water inlet are placed in pure water at the back. Now, our basic water connections and signal line connections have been made. Next, we start the actual check. We select a test point, such as 10 mm heavy rain. After we select it, press the single step button to perform a test. The system will first fill the water, and after the standard bottle is full, it will release the water inside, and the actual verification is carried out according to the regulations. Now the test has been completed. We can find from the top of the screen that the current test value is 9.7, compared with our standard value of 10.0. We can conclude that its error value is minus 0.3 we tested. The error of plus or minus 0.4, specified in the regulations, is used to make a judgment to prove that the meter is in line with the error, which is to say, the meter is in line with the verification regulations. Our automatic rainfall calibrator can check 10 mm and 30 mm at the same time. What we just demonstrated is 10 mm. We only need to switch the corresponding test point in the screen menu function button to switch the corresponding 30 mm test point. We use this direction button to switch the verification point. Now it is a 10 mm light rain. So let's switch to the next verification point. For 30 mm of heavy rain, we can carry out a corresponding single-step test run. Now the test point 30 mm has been completed. We can make a comparison through the values on the screen. It is stipulated in the regulations of the meteorological field that the error of the 30 mm verification point is relative plus or minus 4%. Therefore, we can calculate that the actual value exceeds, and 28.7 has exceeded the error range of plus or minus 4%, so at the test point of 30 mm. This rain sensor is unqualified. The above introduction is the actual operation process of our ARC100-P automatic rainfall calibrator.